While walking through the volcanic landscapes, I stumbled upon this fascinating piece of nature, a beautiful white agate hidden quietly among the rugged stones. At first glance, it may seem like just a rock, but when you look closer, you'll see the delicate layers of white and golden tones. It's like nature painted it slowly over thousands of years, line by line, story by story. This is white agate, a gemstone formed deep within volcanic areas through the slow deposition of silica-rich fluids. Each band inside is a time capsule, a mark of ancient Earth's quiet work. White agate isn't just known for its beauty. It's believed to carry powerful healing and grounding properties, calming the mind, balancing emotions, and clearing away negative energy. To me, this stone feels alive. Its patterns almost resemble a glowing heart or an ancient map waiting to be decoded. Holding this agate in my hand reminds me that nature is the greatest artist, patient, precise, and full of secrets. We often rush through life, missing the small miracles under our feet. But sometimes it takes just one stone like this to pause, reflect, and reconnect with the earth. This piece may have lain untouched for centuries, until now, a silent witness to the passing of time, the shifting of seasons, the quiet power of nature's design. That's the magic of stones like these. They don't speak, yet they tell a story written not with words, but with minerals, pressure, and time. If you love the mysteries of the earth like I do, make sure to follow for more discoveries, because every stone has a secret, and together we'll uncover them one by one. It's a natural treasure, a rare piece of the Earth's memory, found in a remote volcanic area. And now it's part of my collection. Have you ever seen a stone like this? Let me know in the comments. And together, let's keep uncovering the hidden wonders of the Earth.